Assalamu alaikum. I'm Eman Yasmin, student of Mechatronics Engineer from Air University, Islamabad. Today I'm going to explain briefly the voltage sensor, current sensor, SD card, real-time clock, and in addition to all these sensors, we are also going to study about ultrasonic sensor. So basically I'm going to tell you that how to measure voltage and current and save the data in SD card. And we are using time clock to measure all the data on different intervals of time. And in addition to all these things, we are also come to know about the ultrasonic sensor and its uses, its data sheet. These sensors are basically related to one of our engineering course, that is IMS. It's all about my semester project. Okay, let's start our video. Here in this project, I'm going to tell you about things we are using here. This is autocoupler, this is SD card, this is voltage sensor, this is current sensor, this is relay we are using it with it, this is Arduino. Actually, all these sensors are connected to Arduino through the different pins, input and output. Autocoupler here, it is used as a switch. It actually connects the circuit through light. Autocoupler is more efficient and long lasting because it connecting the circuit through light. No mechanical part take place in it, so it's long lasting. Input is given to all the sensors from Arduino through pin 13, and we are also using relay here. Relay is actually for safety. If current exceeds through the limit which we decided in our code, so it automatically disconnect the supply of the current to the sensor. It is for protection of the sensors, that high current may harm our sensors. So we set the current in our code that if current exceeds this limit, the relay automatically disconnect all the sensors from the supply. After relay, we have motor encoder here, motor encoder, and we also have a pulse counter here, where you can check it by using oscilloscope. You use oscilloscope to see the pulse counter. We have variable current and variable voltage. We are able to change load current through it. Variable current load, it is variable current load, it is variable voltage load, and we can change load current through these two. It can be changed by moving this arrow up and lower, and it also the same. After this, we have voltage sensor. Actually, we have voltage sensor and current sensor. And current sensor, you can say ammeter. We all know that current sensor is always connected to motor in series, and in voltage sensor is connected through motor in parallel. So we connected voltage sensor in parallel and current sensor in series through the motor. In voltage sensor, there we are using voltage divider. This is Zener diode. Zener diode is used for voltage regulation. A capacitor is used here. This is voltmeter. We use voltmeter to measure the voltage. Okay, output is taken from analog pin AO from here. Okay, after that we have current sensor. Current sensor, we are using capacitor here for removing noise. In current sensor, we have 3 pins. VCC, it's VCC and ground. We are using all the 3 pins. Okay, after current sensor, we come to SD card here. This is SD card. It stores data in it. It stores the data in it. Its CS pin is connected to the pin 10 of the Arduino. इसकी जो सी एस पिन है ये ऑर्डिनो की पिन 10 से कनेक्टेड है. एस डी कार्ड आप यूज़ करें, इट स्टोर डाटा ऑन डिफरेंट इंटरवल्स ऑफ टाइम. सो उस टाइम इंटरवल के लिए हम जो है ना साथ में यूज़ करें आर टी सी. आर टी सी सेंसर इज़ रियल टाइम क्लॉक सेंसर एंड इट मेजर्स द टाइम. In RTC, we can also initialize time with the time of our PC, and it can also be set by yourself. If you want to set it by yourself, you can set it, but it is done in the code. Okay, let's take a look on stimulation, and then we come to a code. Okay, let's start simulation. Okay, here stimulation start हो गई है. फर्स्टली ये वो सब कुछ स्टिमुलेट करेगा जो डाटा इसके अंदर स्टोर है. पहले वो स्टिमुलेट करने के बाद ये दोबारा से करेगा जो डाटा अब जो है स्टिमुलेट हो रहा है. here you can say motor current overloaded. जब करंट here is a function, if current is overloaded तो ये एक मैसेज शो कर देता है कि करंट इज़ ओवरलोडेड, द मोटर करंट इज़ ओवरलोडेड. तो उसके बाद हमारे पास सप्लाई कट हो जाती है. you can this is oscilloscope. Okay, we can remove here and we can see about this motor current overloaded, but DC current as 4.49 amperes. Okay, you can see also from here, from ammeter and from voltmeter, from ammeter and from here from voltmeter, that it is giving exact the value of current 10.5, 10.52, and here is the stimulation. then इसके बाद फिर से आ गया मोटर करंट ओवरलोडेड. So you can see it is simulated with no errors. Okay, now we have to come on code. Okay, here is our Arduino code which we are using in this simulation. Okay, first of all, we have all the libraries we are using in this code. These are the libraries. After that, we make the object of RTC. We have to create files. All pins are connected to Arduino are declared here. All variables we are using are declared. After that, we have a setup. Actually in Arduino we have two things, setup and loops. The things we write in setup can only works on one time, but in the things which are present in loop can run continuously. Okay, here is my file. And okay, we are using logging time to take a time period from RTC. We also have to set pin modes for input and output pins. So this is overall all the code we used for the previous simulations. Here in this code, it also display the message of current overloading if current increase the 5 amperes. So we decided previously that after 5 ampere the relay cut off the display. Here SD card open, if SD card open we don't get any data, we have to close it first. Okay, this all code available here. As I told you before that हम इन सारे सेंसर्स के साथ एक अल्ट्रासोनिक सेंसर भी पढ़ेंगे. तो नाउ वी कम टू अल्ट्रासोनिक सेंसर. Along with all those sensor, voltage sensor, current sensor, RTC and all that SD card, we are here with our ultrasonic sensor. Okay, I'll start about ultrasonic sensor. First we have to look on its data sheet. And before looking at data sheet, I like to tell you about what is data sheet. Data sheet actually the overview of all the sensor, how to use the sensor, what are the features in that sensor, how much where we it is applicable, where it is not. From all the companies, when they made sensor, they also made their data sheet with it. Okay, here I'm using HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensor. Okay, in this data sheet we all have its specification. मैं आपको सिर्फ जो है इसकी प्रोमिनेंट जो स्पेसिफिकेशंस हैं जो हम देखते हैं कोई भी सेंसर यूज़ करने के लिए. इसके रेंजिंग मॉड्यूल HC-CR04 provides 2 centimeter to 400 centimeter. Okay, 5 volt supply, trigger pulse input, echo pulse output, 0 volt ground. Here we have working voltage DC 5 volt, working current 15 milliamps, working frequency 40 hertz, max range 4 meter, min range 2 centimeter, measuring angle 15 degree, trigger input signal, echo output signal dimensions. All the this is given here, and it is a diagram, and all the composition and things all are given in data sheet. We mainly see the ranges and voltage current which it can bearable, the sensor can bear. So we see these things and we have to choose the sensor. So I choose HC HCSR04 sensor here for this stimulation. Okay, here we are using all the sensor which I tell you before, current sensor, voltage sensor, RTC. The only addition is this is ultrasonic sensor. Okay, we come to the stimulation, but first of all we have a look on the code. This is Arduino code we are using. Sorry. We have two pins in ultrasonic sensor, echo pin and trigger pin. First of all, we have to initialize echo at 11 and trigger pin as 12. Here we are initializing both the pins, echo as 11 and trigger pin as 12. After that, we have serial begin. Here we decide input, output, delay, and which is according to our sensor. we decide pin mode, which are output pins, which are input pins. Here we decide echo pin as an input pin, where on which pins of Arduino we have to attach all these. Okay, here come we initialize second, minutes, because we also have to measure time. So we measure time in seconds, and we also have to measure the distance through ultrasonic sensor. So we can give it in inches and times in seconds. Date is also going to measure, so minutes, hours, years, month, all are initializing with the calendar which is going in your PC. You also able to initialize as you want, which date, which time, and all that. Here are the different parameters for us. These are the formulas we are using to change uh, from inches to meters, centimeters. Okay, from where we come, if the our pin trigger pin is on low, it means that there is no object in front of ultrasonic sensor, कोई object नहीं है, so delay आ जाता है उसमें, and आंसर obviously ज़ीरो हो जाता है, कोई एक्शन नहीं होता. And if it has some resistance, some object in front of the ultrasonic sensor जो हमने distance उसमें decide किया होता है, so the pin is high and we have our function which we decided for. Here we have a serial print in inches, centimeter. This is the difference distance we have to measure, voltage and current, all that is given in this code. Okay, now we come over here. Sorry, we already see the current sensor. Here is the current sensor, the voltage sensor, RTC, and this is I only tell you about the ultrasonic sensor. This is the ranging of the distance which we are measuring, so you can change it by moving this arrow head and all that. Okay, let's stimulate and see is it working or not. Okay, it is working amazingly. Okay, you can see time and date, the voltage given, the current. If we current is not flowing here, you can see this is 0 0, but if we switch off it, you can say current start flowing and it is 0.9 ampere. Okay, let's off it and debug it. Okay, here is the stimulation. It first stimulate all the data previously stored in it, and after that it simulate the data which is going. You can see, if you can see here 0 0, current it is given 0 0, but as we on the switch, now you can see the current it is given 0.88, 0.9, which is here. The voltage is this voltage हमारे पास है 5. You can say this is it giving 5 voltage, and the time and date, this is according to your PC. Yeah, you can see this. Okay, okay, the stimulation is going. LED is on. As we off this LED, it doesn't glow. Okay, you can also see that if you change the resistance of a potentiometer here, the voltage also change. Change the resistance, the voltage also change from here. If you change the resistance from ammeter, the voltage also change from ammeter. Okay, wait for a while. If we change the resistance, you can say our voltage also change. Okay, मैंने रेजिस्टेंस यहाँ से कम कर दिया, यू से इट कम्स टू 3.85. मैं अगर रेजिस्टेंस इसकी दोबारा से 100 पे ले जाऊँगी तो इट अगेन बिकम 5. ओके, यू कैन चेक ऑल दिस हेयर. यहाँ पे जो जो हम फंक्शन करते जाएंगे वो हमारा स्टिमुलेशन में हमारे पास आता रहेगा. इधर से इफ़ यू ऑन द लाइट, यू हैव ऑन द LED, you have current flowing. This is a switch, and if you off, it is not. And this is our ultrasonic sensor. This is the distance you can measure from here. Okay, here you see that अभी हमारे पास distance आ रहा है 439 इंचज़ का. 439 इंचज़ का डिस्टेंस आ रहा है अल्ट्रासोनिक से. अगर हम इसकी रेजिस्टेंस कम करेंगे, वी हैव 100, here we have 100, then you can see that कि इसकी जो है इंचेस जो है वो, इसका जो डिस्टेंस है वो कम होगा. वेट फॉर अ वाइल, नॉट प्रॉपर्ली वर्किंग. ओके, नाउ यू कैन सी द डिस्टेंस वो जो है, हम इसकी रेजिस्टेंस कम या ज़्यादा करने से इसका डिस्टेंस भी कम और ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं. नाउ वी हैव these two buttons. This is for reset and recount. These two we use these two buttons for reset and recount. Okay, यहाँ पे स्टिमुलेशन हमारी कंप्लीट हो चुकी है. दिस इज़ एन एडिशनल थिंग आई एम टेलिंग टू यू. एंड यहाँ पे हम वीडियो अपनी ख़त्म करते हैं. Subscribe the channel, like the video, and give your comments in comment box. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.